Good evening. I am Mary Rebecca, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kattankulattur. Today, we are going to see about the course Smart City, which is offered for PG students as an open elective. We are going to see Unit 2 today. These are all the course content we are going to see. Understanding the smart cities, dimensions of the smart cities, the global experience of the smart cities, the global standards, benchmarks, and the practice codes. What are all the smart and hard infrastructures for the smart cities? What was the city-wide network, wireless networks, IoT and smart city, e-government and smart city, smart services, as well as the India's 100th smart city mission we are going to see. So before going into the lecture, we are going to see about what is a smart city. A smart city uses the digital technologies, data and innovation to improve the quality of life, efficiency of services and sustainability. The main core component of this particular smart city includes ICT. It is nothing but information and communication technology, which is the backbone of all the smart solution. Next one is IoT, Internet of Things, which is interconnected devices and sensors for real-time data. Finally, big data and AI. It is for analyzing and predicting the urban needs. The key features includes efficient public service in case of water supply, electricity, transportation. Smart governance, both the transparency will be there. Sustainable infrastructure such as green buildings, renewable energy resources, etc. Then intelligent transport system, we have a smart traffic management, e-vehicle charging points, e-vehicles, everything comes under this particular category. Waste management using sensors and recycling systems. So what are all the benefits of this particular smart city? Better resource utilization, reduce pollution and energy consumption, improved safety and security by means of CCTV cameras and all, then enhances citizen engagement and participation. So what are all the challenges we will be facing in this particular smart city? The cost of implementation is very high. The cyber security as well as privacy issues will be there. Need for skilled workforce. Digital divide among citizens is there. So the best example for smart city applications include smart street lighting, online grievance redressal portals, mobile apps for transport and utilities, real-time air quality monitoring is possible. So in global as well as the Indian context, we will see the best example. Usually we know this. The global examples include Singapore, Barcelona, Amsterdam or leading examples. In India, Smart City Mission, which was launched in the year 2015. So now comes the dimensions of smart cities. So there are main 7 dimensions are there, which was the foundation of a true holistic smart city. The first and foremost thing is smart governance. It includes transparent and citizen-friendly administration, e-governance and digital services, citizen participation in decision making. The second one, smart economy, innovation and entrepreneurship, efficient use of resources, competitiveness in global and local markets. The third one is smart mobility, intelligent transportation system, public transport integration, smart traffic management, electrical vehicles as well as bike sharing is possible. The fourth one is smart environment, renewable energy use, efficient waste management, pollution control and green spaces. Next one is smart people, education and digital literacy, skill development, inclusive society with active citizen engagement. The next one is smart living, better healthcare and educational facility, safety and security, high quality of life, with cultural and social vibrancy, smart infrastructure, which includes ICT-based utilities, smart grids, smart water systems, resilient and sustainable buildings. So now comes the global experiences of the smart cities. The successful smart cities integrate the technology, sustainability and citizen participation rather than focusing only on infrastructure. So the first and foremost example is located in Netherlands. It is a smart city. Amsterdam is a smart city project which promotes the renewable energy and smart mobility is possible. E-vehicle charging infrastructure and bike-friendly policies. Then finally, open data platform for startups and innovation. Next comes the, this particular city is located in South Korea. It is a planned smart city which is built from scratch. It uses integrated ICT infrastructure for transport, waste and energy. Homes and offices are connected via sensors for real-time monitoring. Next one is located in Denmark, Copenhagen. It focuses on sustainability and carbon neutrality. Smart mobility solutions like cycling highways, green belts, everything is possible. Real-time air quality monitoring is possible. Next one is Dubai. Smart Dubai in the year 2021 initiative focuses on paperless governance, smart police station and AI driven public services, heavy use of blockchain and AI in city management. The final example, it is located in USA, New York City, Smart NYC program, which will include open data platforms, smart streetlights and Wi-Fi kiosks. It focuses on resilience, climate adaptation and citizen-centric service. These are all the examples of smart city globally. So what was the global standards and benchmarks and the practice codes for the smart city? ISO standards include three main thing was there. First one is ISO 37120, which includes the indicators for city services and quality of life. Next, ISO 37122, indicators for smart cities, innovation, ICT use, everything is there. Last one is ISO 37123, indicators for resilient cities such as climate, disaster management, everything comes under this particular standard. So another one is there, ITU, International Telecommunication Union. This one is ICT based standards for smart sustainable cities. It focuses on connectivity, interoperability and cyber security. Next is IEEE standard, smart infrastructure standards such as smart grids, IoT sensors, everything is there. Benchmark for communication and interoperability is possible. Next is World Bank guidelines, framework for sustainable urban development, emphasis on inclusiveness, affordability and citizen well-being. European Union benchmark. This particular European smart city model, which have dimensions such as economy, people, governance, mobility, environment, living, everything is included in that particular benchmark. Then urban sustainability reporting indexes, so much of index were there based upon this EU benchmark. So some of the practice codes for smart cities. Data governance codes were there. Sustainability codes for energy efficient, renewable integration, green building codes are there. Urban mobility codes for smart transport, EV policies, emission norms, everything was there. Citizen engagement codes, transparent governance, participatory planning, everything were included in these particular practice codes. Benchmarking framework, IMD Smart City Index. It ranks cities globally on technology and citizen perception. Next one is Smart City Observatory. It evaluates the innovation, sustainability and quality of life. Finally, United Nations SDG. Already we know so much of SDGs were there. one of that particular, totally 17 goals were there. In that particular 17 goal number 11 is for sustainable cities, international benchmark for urban development. Next comes the smart and hard infrastructure for smart cities. Smart city needs both hard infrastructure for basic needs and smart infrastructure for efficient, sustainable and citizen-friendly services. So we are going to see hard separately, smart separately. First one, hard. What are all the hard infrastructure required? Transport infrastructure such as road, bridges, metros, airports and railways. Next one is energy infrastructure, power plants, electricity grids, renewable energy plants, water infrastructure, which will include the water supply pipelines, dams, sewage, stormwater drains, everything comes under this particular category. And then waste management. For this particular waste management, we have to include landfills, recycling plants, sewage treatment plants, everything comes under this category. Urban housing and buildings, affordable housing, commercial spaces, industrial zone. Finally, basic urban services such as hospitals, schools, public safety. Everything comes under this basic urban services. These are all the hard infrastructure. Now comes the smart infrastructure. What are all the things which we required? Smart grids for real-time monitoring and efficient energy distribution. Smart water systems, IoT sensors for leakage reduction, water recycling. Smart mobility, intelligent traffic system, EV charging, GPS based transport apps are available. Nowadays in Chennai also, in Tamil Nadu also, we are using so much of apps for booking our tickets, as well as where the bus is coming, everything we can easily manage using this particular GPS based transport apps. ICT infrastructure, broadband internet, Wi-Fi hotspots, data centers, 5G networks, smart waste system, sensor based garbage bins, automated collection. Sensors will be available whether the dustbins are filled or not. So much of options were there for smart buildings, energy efficient building, green buildings, sensor based lighting system, climate control, everything we can manage using that particular smart building technologies. Finally, smart safety and security. For that we need CCTV surveillance, emergency response systems. These are all the smart technology which we have required for that particular smart city. So integration of smart and hard infrastructure. Traditional physical system upgraded with IoT, AI and data analysis. The best example for this particular integration includes conventional traffic signals are converted into smart traffic management with the use of sensors and AI. The best example for this particular thing, another one is regular water pipeline is converted into smart meters as well as real-time monitoring. The benefits of this particular thing: improved efficiency and cost saving, better quality of life for citizen, sustainability and reduced environmental impact, real-time data for informed governance decisions is possible. So now comes the city-wide network. It acts as the nervous system of a smart city, ensuring all digital and physical infrastructure works in a connected, efficient and citizen-friendly manner. So what was the core component of this particular city-wide network? So as you know very well, fiber optic was the backbone. Since we require a high-speed network connectivity across the city. Next comes the wireless network, either Wi-Fi or 5G network is possible. Then IoT sensor networks, devices for monitoring the traffic, pollution, water supply and safety, everything is possible using this particular sensor network. Finally, the data centers or cloud platforms. Basically, this is for storage and processing of city-wide data. Next comes the main function. It enables the integration of smart infrastructure. It provides a real-time data for decision making. It facilitates the e-governance and digital citizen services. It supports the emergency communication and disaster management. The main application includes smart traffic lights connected city-wide for mobility solution, public Wi-Fi in buses, metros and public places, remote healthcare services, smart grids and smart water supply using connected meters, city surveillance through integrated CCTV networks. The benefits includes seamless connectivity for citizens and government, efficient service delivery, better urban safety and security, foundation for AI, big data and automation in urban management. The main challenges which we will face here is high installation and maintenance cost, cyber security and data privacy concerns, need for interoperability between different systems. Next comes wireless networks. These are all the backbone of connectivity in smart cities, enabling the seamless connections between people, devices and services. Types of wireless networks. It is a well-known thing. Wi-Fi, cellular networks such as 4G, 5G, LPWAN, lower power wide area network, satellite communication for rural as well as remote areas. The role in smart city. It connects IoT devices, provides public internet access for citizens. It enables real-time monitoring and data sharing across the departments. It supports e-governance, e-health and e-learning. So the main application includes smart traffic lights and GPS tracking of public transport, smart parking system linked via wireless sensors, remote healthcare, smart grids and automated energy distribution, city surveillance and emergency communication. The main benefits includes high-speed connectivity, scalability for millions of IoT devices, cost effective compared to laying cables everywhere, enhances citizen engagement through digital services. So the main challenges for this particular wireless network include cyber security and data privacy risks, high energy consumption for large networks, coverage gaps in dense urban or remote areas, need for interoperability across devices and platforms. So next comes the IoT and smart city. So what is this IoT? A network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software and communication technologies to collect and exchange data. IoT forms the backbone for this particular smart city application by enabling real-time monitoring, automation and intelligent decision making. Key components of IoT in smart city: sensors and devices, connectivity, data processing and analytics, user interfaces. So this is what, so much of hub will be available, Wi-Fi hub for door lock as well as for smart lighting system, all is possible using this particular data. So much of Wi-Fi routers were there. Finally, it will reach the user application using your system. So the main application includes smart transportation, smart energy management, smart waste management, smart water management, smart buildings and homes, public safety and security, smart healthcare. See, these are all the top IoT application. Smart city for health monitoring, smart grid is possible. Then hospitality for tourism, smart factories is there, fitness trackers are there, smart farming is there. So much of sensors are available for determining the soil moisture, for a particular route, what was the depth of water. Easily we can identify the defects in that particular route as well as leaf. Self-driving cars were available nowadays. Smart homes were there. These are all the main applications of IoT. So what you can see, so for AI also see so much of threat detection options were there. Cloud management is possible. Video surveillance can be done. Robotic system nowadays, so much of robots are doing some operations, including operations also. Robotic systems were doing. Face recognition can be done easily. Access for accessing, we are using this particular AI techniques. So these are all the benefits of IoT: efficiency, sustainability, cost saving, improved quality of life, data-driven governance. So the challenges will be there: data privacy and security. There is a risk of cyber attacks and data misuse is possible. High implementation cost, interoperability issues were there, scalability, policy and regulations were there. So technologies supporting this particular IoT in smart city includes 5G network, AI and machine learning for predictive analysis, big data analysis for real-time insights, cloud and edge computing for scalable data processing, blockchain for secure data transactions. So many case studies related to smart cities were there. Here I have listed a few. Barcelona, it is mainly for smart lighting and waste management. Singapore, it is a national-wide smart nation initiative for traffic, healthcare, housing, everything. Amsterdam, which is located in Netherlands, it is IoT-based smart parking and energy system. Everything is possible in that particular city. Finally, our Indian Smart City mission, it integrates all the IoT in transportation, safety and governance. So future of IoT in smart city: increased use of AI-driven autonomous system, integration of digital twin for real-time city simulation, adoption of circular economy practices using IoT, more citizen-centric services with personalized urban solution. So e-government and smart city. So e-government, the use of information and technologies, especially the internet, to deliver government services, improve governance and enhance the citizen engagement. E-government forms the administrative and service backbone of smart city by enabling transport, accessible and citizen-centric governance. So these are all the key features of e-government: digital services delivery, transparency and accountability, citizen participation, efficiency in governance, data-driven policy. These are all some of the models of e-government in smart city. The first one is government to citizen, that is G2C. Online portals for services like healthcare, education and transport. Next one is G2B, government to business. Simplified procedures for license, contracts and e-procurement. Third one is G2G, government to government. Digital collaboration between government departments. G2E, government to employee. EHR systems for employees, payroll and digital communication. These are all the models of e-government in smart city. Applications of e-government in smart cities: smart governance platform, e-participation tools, digital identity system, e-procurement and smart contracts, GIS-based urban planning, smart complaint management system. So benefits of e-government: accessibility, cost reduction, transparency, efficiency, citizen empowerment, sustainability. The challenges faced include Digital divide, unequal access to technology among the citizens is there. Cyber security risk is there. Threats of hacking and data breaches is there. Resistance to change, hesitation among the citizens and officials to adopt digital system. High implementation cost, legal and regulatory issues will be there. Technologies enabling e-government, cloud computing, mobile applications, blockchain, AI and big data, GIS and IoT. Examples of e-government includes Estonia, Singapore, Barcelona and India. These are all the examples. Future of e-government, integration of AI in governance, blockchain-based governance system, one-stop smart city apps integrating all the public services, greater citizen co-creation of policies through digital participation, smart contracts for automated service delivery. Smart services. So these are all the foundation of smart city, integrating the digital technology to deliver efficient transport and citizen friendly solution across the governance, healthcare, education, utilities and transportation. So the key characteristics include connectivity, automation, data driven, accessibility and sustainability. So these are all some of the benefits which includes improved efficiency, cost reduction, convenience, transparency, citizen empowerment. So what are all the future trends in this particular smart city? AI powered personalized public service, blockchain for secure digital transaction, 5G enabled real-time service delivery, cloud-based service platform with scalability, sustainable services aligned with green technologies. So finally, India's 100 smart cities policies and mission. This is launched by our Government of India in June 2015. The main objective is to develop 100 smart cities across the country, making them citizen friendly, sustainable and technologically advancing. This particular mission was implemented by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. These are all the main vision of this particular mission. Drive economic growth, enable local development, provide core infrastructure, create a clean and sustainable environment, promote urban planning and digital governance. These are all the core infrastructure elements: adequate water supply, electricity supply, solid waste management, efficient urban mobility, affordable housing, robust IT connectivity, good governance, sustainable environment, health and education facility, safety and security of citizens. So the strategies of smart city mission include area-based development. In that, three models were there. Retrofit model, it improved the existing urban infrastructure. The next one is redevelopment model. It replaced the existing built-up environment with a new layout. Third one is greenfield model. It will develop a new city area. The next is pan city development. It will apply smart solution across the entire city. So the funding mechanism, each city will receive around 500 crore from the central government over 5 years. State government as well as urban local bodies will provide the matching grants. Funds are leveraged through PPP models. Implementation include special purpose vehicle, stakeholder participation. So achievement as of 2023 to 2024, more than 7,800 projects approved with investment of rupees 1.8 lakh crore. It focuses on smart mobility, ICT enabled governance and sustainable infrastructure, improved public transport, waste management, solar project and digital citizen services. The challenges faced in this particular mission: financing and resource mobilization, capacity building, coordination, inclusivity, technology integration. So future outlook of this particular smart city mission, expanding beyond 100 cities to create smart regions and towns. Greater emphasis on green infrastructure and renewable energy, integration of AI, IoT and big data in urban governance, alignment with India's net zero 2070 mission and sustainable development goals. Thank you.